All right, so this is cupping part 2 or step 2. In the last video, I showed you how to load the cotton and prime it with the 91% alcohol. I'm going to show you the basics of moving the flame in and out of the cup using glass cups so that you don't burn yourself or others. Keep the flame away from your face, light it from the base. It's going to rise. If you're indoors, watch out for things that are hanging near the ceiling or on the walls. And then the basic is this. You're trying not to get the rim hot, but you're also trying to burn the oxygen out of the inside and apply it to the skin. So the way to learn how to do that is to check on yourself. Be careful, just be mindful, this is easy. You move fast through the rim and warm up the base. Fast through the rim, spending more time at the base. So if you watch, I kind of do a double pump technique. It's kind of my habit now at this point. So going in quick, well, move. So that's just the quick of it, in, move. Going. Now I'm gonna go in, move, and out. That's way too slow. I slowed that down so you could see it. Show you one more time, except now I'm gonna show you how to test to see if it's too hot. So in, check, and then put it on your forearm. If it's hot, you can't lay it down. If you're learning, you wanna have at least 2 or 3 cups around, and you wanna be able to switch cups about every 2 to 3 cycles of checking and seeing. Otherwise it's gonna get too hot just from learning. So going in, check, and adhere. In, check, and adhere. And it's warming up as I'm doing this, but this is a tolerable heat. That's just going and learning the technique for warming, getting in and out. So move fast through here, get to the base, burn out the oxygen, and practice temperature control here. And then I'll show you how to apply them, hopefully on the next one. Blow it out from the base.